Hello and welcome back to another walk around video from Cambridgeshire Used Car Sales, where we aim to show you another dimension of this particular car. I'm really pleased to be able to show you today this 2004 MG which is the 2.5 V6 variant with 190 brake horsepower. The car has only covered 69,000 miles from new, with full service history, and has been cherished over its lifetime from MG enthusiasts. As you can see from the video, it is finished in a wonderful metallic silver paintwork with contrasting graphite grey alloy wheels. The interior of the car is a very impressive half leather interior with a very nice pattern on the seats too. We shall take a closer look at the interior shortly, however just a quick overview for now. It's also worth noting at this point the stainless steel exhaust, which you can see fitted here, which is from the catalytic converter back, which was fitted at a cost of nearly £600. Importantly, this is not a loud system, it's very, very subdued, but does just nicely remind you of that wonderful engine these cars do have. We shall now take this opportunity to look around the car in closer detail, so you can see the individual conditions of all of the panels and everything else. As mentioned, these wheels have been professionally refurbished in graphite grey, which really does look the part with this colour combination. The panels, as you can see, very, very straight and true indeed. With a nice shine as well. Not forgetting the very sporty looking rear spoiler there, of course. It nicely adds to the aesthetics of this car. And the aforementioned stainless steel exhaust system. particularly nice to note the 75 and ZT Owners Club badge. And you really can tell this car has been well looked after in its life. It's a pleasure to see and a pleasure to drive. Taking a closer look at the interior, as previously mentioned, a lovely place to be. The seats are in wonderful condition, really well looked after, very well supportive seats as well. Very nice condition, real modern sort of graphite grey colouring, and very nice and cool aircon, which is especially welcome on a muggy day like today. Door shuts as you'd expect, lovely and clean and tidy. And the door cards as well. The passenger side interior is much the same story. Very nice condition on the interior seats and upholstery. And the door card as well. The lovely interior condition continues into the rear. Half leather interior again, with very nice complementary stitching. And finally the other side of the rear interior. I'm now very pleased to be able to show you under the bonnet and in the boot area of this MG. As you can see, a very impressive engine bay. Lovely condition for a wonderful engine. If you've not driven one of these with 190 brake horsepower, you will be pleasantly surprised. Plenty of power and torque if you need it. It goes through the gears with the utmost of ease and also sounds glorious too. I will start the vehicle up shortly so you can hear the engine and also the exhaust. Importantly, not too intrusive, just very nice indeed. Turning to the rear of the car, a very impressive load area. Plenty of space for anything you'd like, including the Kenwood auto changer, which matches the head unit as well. Okay, so we shall now start the engine. Ignition on. Instantly starts, settles down to a nice idle. We can see here 69,869 miles on the trip meter there. Here is the engine running. You can probably hear the air conditioning fans also going. The aircon's on. It's quite a muggy day today and lovely and cool. Lovely and smooth from the V6 as expected. And returning to the rear of the car, very subtle and importantly it's stainless steel. I believe the long life guarantee for a long time, if not life. Revs really cleanly, very responsive. A lovely sound. Really does drive well, this car. Very impressive. I'd also like to take this opportunity to show you through the paperwork of the car. As you can see here, there are plenty of previous MOTs, invoices, bills, which really is lovely to see, which complements the service record, which I shall briefly show you through here. We've got 14,000, 18,000, 25,000, 31,000, 37,000, 40,000, 46,000, 41,000, stainless steel exhaust fitted, 51,000, 58,000, 65,000 and 68,000. An impeccably looked after car, and lovely to see the history book and all of the history files as well. This is very many. I'm not really showing you all of them here. It's almost endless. It's fabulous reading. So, as to recap, a wonderful example of the ever popular MGZT, which is lovely to see in the 190 brake horsepower variant, 69,000 miles new, full service history and maintained over the years by MG club enthusiasts. As well as the service history presented to you, we will also service the vehicle, and also a brand new MOT will be put on the vehicle too. If there are any advisories, we shall attend to them, which is our company policy, where no car leaves us with any unattended to advisories. A pre-delivery inspection will also be carried out, where we check everything all again, including all of your creature comforts, as we really do value our customer service. Our own in-house 6-month warranty is provided, and if for any reason the car was to fail to proceed and is not drivable, we would collect the vehicle from your address anywhere in the UK, have it returned to our trained mechanics in our in-house workshop, where we will look at the vehicle for you. We hope that this walk-around video has been informative, so you can see the car in some more detail. However, if you have any more questions, do not hesitate to get in touch and we shall answer your queries. Thank you for watching.